Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. I hope you are all doing great. So today I'm back with another very easy tutorial, which is the half circle shawl using the treble crochet. So I was thinking how to make one of those easy tutorial for you, and some of you asked me about the half circle shawl, so I found it as an opportunity to show you how to make it, and the treble crochet makes it very easy and fast to achieve. So I have used for this project, I have used Red Heart soft yarn in color guacamole and 6mm crochet hook. Without further ado, we'll get started. So starting is very simple. As always, we'll make a slip knot and I'll chain 4. I'll yarn over twice, as you can see, and on the first chain from the hook I'm gonna do the treble crochet. So the treble crochet, what is different about it is the number of time you yarn over. As you can see, just follow how I do it and it's very easy to achieve. So I'm gonna do a total of 10 trebles in that chain to achieve the half circle, the beginning half circle. Now I'm done with the 10 trebles in the chain, and as you can see, I've got already a half circle. From this point, what I'll do is same as when I do a circle. If you have watched or you know how to make a circle, you know to keep it flat and to make it bigger, you need to decrease the number of trebles in one stitch. Means, okay, for now what we'll do is 2 trebles in each stitch, and the next row will start the decrease. Means 2 trebles in one stitch, 1 treble in the next stitch, 2 1 2 1. So for now the second row is I'm gonna chain 3. It's up to you how many chains you want. Usually people do chain 4 for the trebles, but chain 3 will make it look neater and tighter, better than the chain 4. So here I'm chaining 3 and I'm doing 2 trebles in the beginning stitch, the same as the chain 3 one, and then 2 trebles in every single stitch. So 2 trebles throughout until the end of my half circle. Now you see how big it's becoming and how it's expanding quickly. So this is the second row already completed. Okay, now on to the third row. As I said previously, I'm gonna chain 3, 2 trebles. In each row from now on, you start with a chain 3 and 2 trebles in the same stitch as chain 3. And at the end of each row, you should finish with only only one treble again. So you start with a chain 3, 2 trebles in the same stitch, and you finish with only one treble in the last stitch. Okay, so now this is the third row, 2 trebles, next stitch 1 treble, next stitch 2 trebles. So 2 1 2 1, you alternate exactly like a circle. If you want to understand more how to decrease the stitches, follow the link in the description box on how to make a perfect circle. Coming back to this, now this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna decrease in each row, means this row we've done 2 1 2 1. In the next row we're gonna do 2 1 1 2, 2 1 1 2, and the next row you keep increasing the single trebles in every stitch by 1. To follow more and better, just check the written pattern on my blog, so it is easier together with this video. I'll leave you with the rest to see how I'm expanding my half circle shawl. So I hope this video was easy to follow and you like the tutorial and you're gonna try it. Basically the points which we need to focus on to get this successful project is instead of chaining 4 at the beginning of each row, chain 3 to make the project look neater and better. We start with a chain 3, 2 trebles in 1 stitch, and we finish with 1 treble only. Only this you need to know, and then you can make it as big as you want, depends on your preference. I use the treble crochet here to make it fast, but you can use single crochet, half double, or double crochet, depends on you. And that's it. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and if you have any project ideas, let me know. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.